Welcome to the heart of the matcha factory, where the journey begins with the finest shaded tencha leaves, harvested with care and ready for transformation. These leaves have been shielded from sunlight to boost their chlorophyll levels, resulting in a vibrant green hue and a rich, concentrated profile of pure antioxidants. Our process starts with a commitment to quality, ensuring that only the most resilient and nutrient-dense leaves enter the sophisticated machinery of our high-tech facility. Every batch is inspected for purity, marking the beginning of a meticulous workflow that turns raw nature into a refined masterpiece of green tea engineering. The conveyor belt moves with precision, transporting the tencha through its first stage of refinement, where technology meets tradition in a seamless industrial dance of production. Initial screening ensures that only the best leaves proceed, removing any imperfections and maintaining the high standards required for a truly premium and authentic matcha powder. This vibration is key to uniform sizing, allowing the system to filter out the coarse elements that would otherwise compromise the final texture of our matcha. The journey continues upward into the advanced air cleaning system, where the leaves are purified further to ensure they are completely free from any external dust. Observe the internal power of air purification, where high-velocity currents gently lift away microscopic debris, leaving behind only the pristine essence of the tencha leaves. This aerodynamic process is designed to be gentle yet effective, protecting the structural integrity of the tea while ensuring a level of cleanliness that is unsurpassed. By isolating impurities at this early stage, we guarantee that every subsequent step focuses solely on the pure, raw material that defines the quality of matcha. The air acts as a liquid wash without the moisture, scrubbing the surface of each leaf to reveal its true, vibrant color and preparing it for processing. Now pristine and glowing, the leaves are spread across a vibrating table, where they undergo a final visual check before heading into the stem separation phase. The movement is steady and controlled, a testament to the automation that allows us to process vast quantities of tea while maintaining the touch of artisan quality. With the raw material perfected and cleaned, we've established the foundation for the most critical steps in the creation of our pure, high-grade matcha powder. We now enter the world of precision separation, where advanced winnowing technology is used to isolate the heart of the leaf from its tougher, bitter stems. High-speed rotors create the necessary kinetic energy, ensuring that every leaf is processed efficiently and that no part of the valuable green flesh is ever wasted. The system is monitored by sophisticated computers, adjusting the centrifugal force in real time to match the specific density and moisture levels of the current tea batch. A powerful vacuum draw ensures a consistent flow, preventing clogs and allowing the machine to operate at its peak performance for hours on end without interruption. The mechanical intensity of this phase is crucial for breaking the natural bonds within the leaf, separating the soft material from the woody veins and petioles. In this simulated view, you can see how the force of the air specifically targets the delicate leaf tissue, stripping it away while leaving the stems behind. Centrifugal force acts as a natural sorter, pushing the lighter, high-quality leaf flakes to the outer edges, while the heavier, denser stems fall to the bottom. This dual-stream technology is the secret to purity, ensuring that only the softest parts of the tencha leaf move forward to become the smooth powder we desire. Precision engineering allows us to fine-tune these pressure zones, maximizing the yield of pure leaf flesh and minimizing any bitterness from the unwanted woody stems. At the microscopic level, the separation is clean and sharp, preserving the integrity of the chloroplasts which house the matcha's signature color and healthy nutrients. Witness the satisfying rain of green gold as millions of pure leaf flakes accumulate, forming a mountain of potential that will soon become the finest powder. These flakes, now free from stems, represent the true essence of the tea, containing the highest concentration of L-theanine and caffeine for a perfect sensory balance. The scale of production is impressive, yet the focus remains on the individual quality of every flake that falls into these specialized, food-grade storage containers. Our quality control experts regularly inspect the output, ensuring that the texture and color meet our stringent requirements for the next stage of the process. The flakes are now transported through a closed-loop system, protecting them from oxidation and maintaining their freshness as they move toward the critical drying phase. Uniformity is the hallmark of professional processing, ensuring that every particle will react the same way to heat and grinding, resulting in a consistent final product. Advanced optical sensors scan the flow of tea, instantly rejecting any particles that do not meet our high standards for color and purity in real time. Even the discarded stems are handled with care, separated completely to ensure they never interfere with the silky, smooth texture that defines our premium matcha tea. With the stems removed, the purest form of the Tencha leaf is now ready to be stabilized through a high-tech, multi-stage thermal drying process. Welcome to the thermal stabilization zone, where a massive, multi-layered dryer carefully manages the moisture content of our precious green tea leaf flakes. The drying process begins gently, using controlled heat to evaporate surface moisture without damaging the delicate chemical compounds and vibrant green pigments within the leaves. Each layer of the dryer operates at a slightly different temperature, creating a sophisticated gradient that ensures the leaves dry evenly from the outside in. State-of-the-art heating elements provide the precise energy required, maintaining a stable environment that is critical for preserving the natural health benefits of the matcha. Powerful ventilation systems constantly cycled the air, preventing humidity buildup and ensuring that the drying process remains efficient and consistent throughout the entire production cycle. Every decimal point of temperature is monitored and logged, allowing our engineers to maintain the perfect balance required for the leaves to reach their ideal state. Infrared technology allows for deep, uniform heating, ensuring that moisture is removed from the center of each flake, preventing any spoilage or mold in the future. Dynamic air currents ensure that no leaf is left untouched, wrapping every single particle in a cocoon of warmth that gently extracts moisture in a controlled manner. This complex airflow design is the result of years of research, optimized to maximize efficiency while strictly protecting the color and aroma of the tea. While heat usually degrades color, our specific thermal profile keeps the chlorophyll intact, ensuring that the final matcha maintains its signature, brilliant emerald green radiance. Watch as moisture is precisely drawn away, leaving the leaves perfectly dry and crisp, a necessary step for the fine grinding process that is soon to follow. Integrated sensors act as the eyes of the machine, checking the moisture levels at every stage and adjusting the conveyor speed to guarantee a perfect finish. Cooling is the final part of the thermal cycle, locking in the flavor and preparing the brittle leaves for the mechanical stresses of the stone mills. At this stage, the leaves have become incredibly brittle, possessing a delicate crunch that is the ideal precursor to being ground into a fine, silky powder. The sound of the falling leaves tells a story of successful dehydration, a crisp, metallic rustle that signals they are ready for the next level of refinement. Rapid cooling stabilizes the organic compounds, ensuring that the tea's natural sweetness and umami flavors are preserved until the moment they are whisked into a bowl. These dry flakes are now concentrated flavor bombs, holding the power and energy of the sun and the soil, waiting to be released by the koida. The absence of moisture is critical. It ensures that the resulting powder will be free-flowing and will not clump, making it easier to prepare and enjoy. Human oversight remains a vital part of our process, as our experts verify that the technology has performed perfectly and the leaves are in peak condition. Precision robotics take over for the final check, using non-contact laser sensors to verify the moisture content down to a fraction of a percentage point. The laser scanning provides instant, accurate data across the entire batch, ensuring that there is no variation in quality from the top to the bottom of the bin. The integration of AI and robotics ensures that our production line is as efficient as it is precise, reducing human error and maximizing product consistency. With the leaves perfectly dried and verified, they are now transported to the grinding room, where the true magic of matcha production is about to take place. Enter the sanctuary of the stone mills, a place of quiet focus where hundreds of traditional granite stones grind the tea in a slow, rhythmic dance. This is the heart of matcha tradition, where industrial scale meets the ancient art of stone grinding to produce a texture that no metal blade can replicate. Each stone is a work of art, specifically carved with grooves that act as microscopic scissors, slicing the tea leaves into smaller and smaller pieces as they spin. A complex network of gears ensures that every stone in the room rotates in perfect unison, maintaining a slow and steady pace that is vital for quality. The leaves enter at the center, embarking on a journey through the stone grooves that will transform them from brittle flakes into an incredibly fine, soft powder. The granite itself is chosen for its hardness and thermal properties, ensuring that the stones remain cool even during the friction-heavy process of grinding the tea. The grinding room is kept at a constant temperature and humidity, providing the ideal conditions for the stones to work their magic without any environmental interference. In this space, time seems to slow down as we prioritize quality over speed, allowing the stones to work at their natural, optimal pace for the best results. Inside the mill, the tea is subject to a unique shearing force, as the precise patterns in the stone guide the leaves through a series of narrowing channels. Slow rotation is the secret. By moving at just 1 revolution per second, we prevent heat buildup that would otherwise scorch the tea and destroy its flavor. The spiral design acts as a natural pump, slowly pushing the developing powder toward the outer edge as it reaches its final, microscopic size of just microns. With every rotation, the particles are refined further, losing their jagged edges and becoming the perfectly rounded spheres of powder that create a smooth, creamy mouthfeel. Even the microscopic porosity of the granite plays a role, allowing for a subtle exchange of air that helps to develop the tea's complex aroma profile. Unlike high-speed blades that shatter the tea, our stones gently mill it, preserving the delicate oils and ensuring a level of uniformity that is truly world-class. The air is filled with the intoxicating scent of fresh matcha as the stones release the volatile aromatic compounds that give the tea its signature sweet fragrance. This is the birth of the matcha powder, emerging from the stones with a texture so fine it behaves more like a liquid, flowing with effortless grace. The sheer scale of this operation is designed to meet global demand without ever compromising on the traditional methods that make matcha so special and unique. From leaf to dust, every step of this journey is calculated and controlled, resulting in a product that is as pure as it is sophisticated in its texture. Behold the moment of creation, as the brilliant green powder slowly emerges, flowing like a silent emerald waterfall from the heart of the granite mill. The texture is incredibly soft and velvety, with a color so intense it seems to glow from within, reflecting the high quality of the original Tencha leaves. Each pulse of the machine delivers a fresh batch of perfection, as the powder accumulates in a soft, green cloud that is ready for the final stages. The powder's ability to hold its shape is a sign of its high quality and fine particle size, indicating a texture that will dissolve perfectly in water. Every gram of this powder takes time and patience to produce, with each stone mill only yielding a small amount of finished matcha every single hour. We treat every speck of matcha with reverence, using specialized tools to collect the powder and ensure that every gram of the green gold is safely harvested. The visual consistency across all the mills is a testament to our rigorous quality control and the reliability of our automated stone grinding technology and systems. Freshly born and full of life, the matcha powder moves forward, protected from the air and light, to preserve its freshness for the final quality tests. Even in the process of production, there is beauty, as the powder creates natural art on the stones, a reflection of the harmony between machine and nature. The air itself seems charged with the energy of the tea, as the finest particles float gently, a testament to the incredible level of fineness we achieve. This simple test reveals the powder's incredible fineness, It is so smooth that it can be compressed into a surface that reflects the light like silk. Leaving the grinding sanctuary, the matcha enters the final phase of its journey, where science and precision will confirm its perfection before it is finally packaged. Now we enter the realm of micro-precision, where ultrasonic sifting technology ensures that every single grain of matcha meets our exact size specifications for ultimate quality. Our micron-level filters are the gatekeepers of quality, allowing only the finest particles to pass through while catching any tiny clumps or irregularities in the powder. The high-frequency vibration prevents clumping and allows the powder to flow effortlessly through the screen, ensuring a fast yet extremely thorough and precise filtration process. Underneath the surface, powerful technology is at work, creating the invisible energy needed to maintain a constant flow and ensure that every gram is perfectly sifted. The result is a powder of unmatched consistency, free from any lumps and possessing a lightness that makes it ideal for whisking into a perfect, frothy tea. At this level of refinement, the matcha behaves differently, reflecting light in a way that highlights its intense purity and the care taken in its production. In slow motion, the particles appear to dance, a mesmerizing display of physics as they are agitated by ultrasonic waves to find their way through the mesh. This green dance is the final stage of physical refinement, where the energy of sound is used to perfect the texture of the world's finest tea powder. The powder is so light it can float on air, a characteristic of the highest quality matcha that ensures a smooth and effortless preparation for the consumer. Even the smallest improvement matters as we strive for a level of perfection that can be felt in the mouth and seen in the vibrant final cup. Validation is next, as we take samples from every batch to be analyzed by advanced laser equipment, ensuring our high standards are met every single time. In our laboratory, we use laser diffraction to measure the exact size of our matcha particles, ensuring they fall within the perfect range for premium quality tea. The data doesn't lie. A narrow distribution peak confirms that our grinding and sifting processes are operating at the highest possible level of precision and consistency. Documentation is key to our traceability, allowing us to guarantee the quality of every single tin of matcha that leaves our facility for our customers worldwide. The science of light allows us to see the powder in ways the human eye cannot, confirming the microscopic perfection that defines our brand's unique signature quality. Beyond just texture, we analyze the chemical composition to ensure the highest levels of L-theanine and antioxidants are present in every batch of our pure matcha. The ultimate test is in the bowl. Notice how easily the fine powder whisks into a dense emerald foam, a hallmark of superior-grade stone-ground matcha powder. A perfect froth is the signature of great matcha, providing a creamy texture and a smooth, rich flavor profile that is both invigorating and deeply calming. Approved by science and perfected by tradition, our matcha is now ready to be sealed and delivered to those who appreciate the true essence of tea. We enter the final stage of the journey, packaging. In this sterile environment, our matcha is sealed in high-quality containers to protect its delicate freshness and flavor. Modern automation ensures that the packaging process is fast, clean, and perfectly efficient, moving each tin through the line with the highest level of care and precision. Precision dosing ensures that every tin contains the exact amount of matcha, while our advanced vacuum systems keep the environment pristine and prevent any waste of powder. Each container is weighed and verified in real time, part of our multi-layered approach to quality control that ensures you receive exactly what you expect every single time. Air is the enemy of freshness. We remove oxygen and replace it with nitrogen, an inert gas that locks in the color, aroma, and flavor for months. The sealing process is fast and flawless, creating an airtight barrier that protects the delicate powder from moisture and blight, the two biggest threats to matcha quality. Robotic handling ensures that the tins are never scratched or damaged, maintaining the premium look and feel that our customers have come to expect from our brand. Labels are applied with mathematical precision, reflecting the high standards of our brand and providing all the necessary information for the discerning matcha enthusiast and consumer. The final presentation is as important as the product itself, as we carefully package our matcha into luxury boxes that reflect its status as a premium superfood. This final touch of human-like precision ensures that every gift set is perfect, ready to be sent to high-end boutiques and tea houses around the entire globe. From our facility to your doorstep, the journey of our matcha is one of constant protection, ensuring it arrives in the same perfect condition as it left. Our pure matcha is a global traveler, reaching every corner of the world where people seek the highest quality, most authentic green tea experience available on Earth. As the sun sets on another day of production, we take pride in the thousands of lives that will be enriched by the pure energy of our matcha. The final product, a testament to the perfect marriage of ancient Japanese tea culture and the very best of modern, high-tech industrial processing and engineering excellence. Every scoop is a promise of purity, a concentrated dose of health and vitality that has been carefully nurtured from the field to your very first sip. Experience the smoothness and the vibrant energy that only comes from true, stone-ground matcha, a product that honors the past while embracing the future of wellness. From the shaded fields of Japan to the precise heart of our factory, this is the story of pure matcha, nature's most powerful gift, refined to perfection. Pure matcha, from the earth, through our hands, and into your heart. Elevate your daily ritual with the ultimate green tea experience. Thank you for watching.